The license can be easily transferred to another computer by pressing Ctrl key on the keyboard and left key on the license checker. Note that there are two types of computer, original and target. The original computer is the one that has already the license, and the target computer is the one that we want to transfer the license. When the ADMS license service window appears, select Transfer License. Then the text boxes New Site Code and Activation Code becomes active, and they require the site code of the target computer and the original activation code. So let's copy and paste the original activation code. Then go to the target computer and copy its site code and paste it to the original computer. Press Continue button. Then assure that you really want to transfer the activation. In this step, the new activation code is generated, and you can paste it in the target computer. Then press single check, and if everything's okay, the license secured successfully. And as we can see on the original computer, the license is gone.